Hi everyone, my name is Pedro Turgal. I'm a freelance 3D artist working mostly in the architectural visualization industry. The projects I work on are usually 3D interior and exterior single-frame visualizations, but I've also worked on 3D architectural animations. In this course, we're going to render a 3D building in 3ds Max and composite it into a photographic background using Photoshop. Some of the key takeaways from watching this course will include learning how to correct photo distortion and perspective in Photoshop in order to set up our photographic background, render a 3D object in 3ds Max that matches our background and combine them in Photoshop, and also performing post-production, which will include blending render elements, color correction, and adding various details to our image. By the end of the training, you will have learned how to combine 3D renderings into photographs and also some useful 2D and 3D techniques that will allow you to improve your skills regarding the creation of architectural visualizations. I'm excited to work with digital tutors and share these techniques with you, so let's get started with the first lesson.